What's up YouTube? It's your girl Deja K and welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by saying, Outre'S, y'all did what needed to be done with this hair. Look at my hair. Y'all can't tell me that this isn't growing from my scalp. This is my hair. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. I'm so in love with these clip-ins. This is actually my first time trying these clip-ins and I am so impressed with Outre'S delivery on these. They feel very natural. They look very natural. It was so easy to blend with my hair. And it comes with 9 pieces. Initially I ended up using all 9 pieces, but it was a bit too big for me and I was going for a more natural look, so I ended up taking a few pieces out. So I only used like 6 or 7 pieces in my hair. It comes with 12-inch weft all the way down to a 3-inch weft, so a lot of versatility. You can do many styles with this hair, and this is one of many I plan on doing. Straight out of the pack, the hair did look a bit dry, but I prepped the clip-ins before I installed them. So I used a spray bottle to spray some water on them, and I also used this Curl La La curling custard to give it a bit more moisture and definition. And this is the result I got. It made the clip-ins look even more natural, and I totally love that. I definitely give this hair a 10 out of 10. I'm so pleased with the quality of it. But let's go ahead and get into how I achieved this look. Okay, so I decided to do the braided method, and your braids definitely do not have to be the neatest. These are just regular old clip-ins. There's nothing too special about them. I started with the 12-inch weft at the nape of my head, and there's no specific method as to how you should place your clip-ins. I'm just placing them to my desire, and I'm starting off with the 12-inch. And as I get to the top of my head, I'm going to be placing the smaller ones, like the 3 and 4 inches. So I flat twisted my leave out so that it can blend flawlessly with these clip-ins. And to get my hair to blend really well, I made sure my hair was well moisturized, and I also coiled my hair within the hair on the clip-ins for a more seamless gradient effect. And here I'm just cutting and shaping the hair to my liking. It was a bit way too big for me at first, so I took one clip-in out and now I'm just cutting and shaping it down to my desire. And this is the end result. I'm so in love with these clip-ins. This is definitely my new go-to. And no one can tell me that this is not my hair. Like, what? Girl, please go to your local beauty supply store and pick these up. I'm giving y'all the cheat code. Nobody will ever know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.